Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because we're going to be unboxing not one Boxycharm box, but two Boxycharm boxes. You guys want to see what I got in my base box and the premium box, and is it actually worth it? Well, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so before we dive into today's video, I'll make sure I list what I'm wearing on my face down below, but I am wearing the Queen Bee palette. I'm actually wearing these shades Fallen in Love with these two shades right here, just mixed on top. Super easy, something you can do on the go. Such a beautiful palette. I absolutely love it. And welcome back to another episode of Vlog-O-Ween. Also, I am so excited to say that a portion of today's video is actually sponsored by Ofra Cosmetics. You guys know how much I love Ofra Cosmetics, and they were so sweet enough to send me their new Think Pink set. For a second year, Ofra has partnered with the National Breast Cancer Foundation to help share the message of importance of screening and how it matters for early detection. So the Think Pink set actually retails for $29. You are going to get a 4-ounce blush plus a lip gloss. Now the blush is a blusher, so it's a mix of their highlighter and blush into one. And what I really do like about this particular formula is the fact that it is a liquid to bake formula. So you can literally apply this wet or dry depending on what you're looking for. Look at how pigmented that is. Very, very pigmented, but then you can actually sit there and you can actually blush, like move it around, and it's actually going to blend itself out, and it's going to become the consistency that you are looking for in terms of a blush. Now you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of blush and highlighters together because I'm so oily, but I actually really do like that it just adds a nice soft hint of color. I could have built this up, but I also could build it down. I could apply it on top of a liquid product or a powder product, and it's going to give the desired effect I'm looking for because it is a liquid to bake formula, and it just depends. I'm looking for wet or dry. And it's going to include this lip gloss right here. Now this is going to be in the shade Love. It's going to be a sheer shimmering coral pink, and I just added it to the top of my lip today. I think it's so beautiful. It adds a light wash of color, which I really do appreciate. I think you can put on any type of liquid lip that you have, and I think it's just going to kind of melt and form into that liquid lip to really enhance it, and I just think it's so beautiful, and I love having on top of my liquid lip right now. So the Think Pink set is live right now. You guys can use code Allie, which will save you guys 20% off your purchase, and I just want to thank Ofra Cosmetics so much for teaming up with me today to bring awareness of screening and how vital it is for early detection. I'm so excited to partner with this launch. I'll make sure I list this down below, but Ofra Cosmetics, thank you guys so much. Okay, so now moving into the two Boxycharm boxes. I am so excited because I had no idea that they were sending over their premium box, and it's a Tarte takeover. So this box is going to be full of Tarte products, which I'm so excited about because I remember when they did their Fenty takeover, I got to have like so many Fenty goodies that I never thought I was going to have. So we'll save that one for last. So we're going to go into the base box right here, which kind of like is beating to shit a little bit. I think my mailman was mad at me or something. He just stomped on it. I don't know. But this box, I think it now retails for $27.99. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products in here, but I think after shipping and handling, I still think you're spending over $30. I no longer have a Boxycharm subscription because I was actually pretty disappointed for the last several years, but they've been kind of slowly coming around. Maybe they're starting to improve. Maybe they're listening to customer feedback. I don't know, but like some months are amazing, other months are not. And so it's so hard to determine whether or not I want to sign back up for it. So we're gonna try this out again. And wait, okay, well, this is a little weird because this says Boxy Premium. But I don't think it's Boxy Premium. I think it's the regular base box. But it says Boxy Premium. Y'all see that, right? But it's the base box. That's okay. All right. So this month is called Boxycharm. Everyone will be under your spell. So the first item that we have in here, this is from Dew of the Gods. Oh, Dew of the Gods. Me and Dew of the Gods, we go way back. So this is the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. Breakfast of Champions in the Tropics hits differently. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blended into a dewy, milky serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. This retails for $32, and I actually did not know they had a face primer. Now, I don't really want to say too much on this because I'm not an expert, but I remember seeing Jen Love's review talk about collagen and how using a facial product like this, it really doesn't bring collagen to the skin because it has to actually go into like your bloodstream and stuff like that to help, you know, bring out collagen. But putting like a facial moisturizer on that says it's going to do the same thing, it's not the same thing because it doesn't penetrate all the layers of the skin. At least that's what I took from her video. Again, I'm not an expert, so I don't really know how much it's really going to do for the skin, but I do think it's really cool. They have a facial primer in here. I don't know if this is going to work for someone like me who does have really oily skin, because this does say it's going to give you a glow, and I typically don't like to have a lot of glow on my skin. I mean, I love highlight. Like, I love looking like a wet ass bitch, but I just don't know if it's necessarily going to work for my skin type. But that's actually really cool. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We have Fleur and B. This is Eyes Baby. This is an anti-aging eye cream. And this retails for $26. It's a rich eye cream that will awaken your eye area by helping to firm your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. And the reason why I laugh, if you guys are new here, is that for years, after I turned 30 years old, all I ever got, like skincare wise, in my Boxycharm and Ipsy boxes were eye creams. And I'm like, what are y'all trying to tell me? Okay, I know I got them wrinkles. I know I got them crow's feet. I don't have money for Botox to, you know, correct the situation, but shit, like they're just throwing it at my face. But I think it's hilarious. And I do want to let you guys know, I use an eye cream every single night. I actually do take it very seriously. But I also have an overabundance amount of eye cream that I just realistically can't go through it all. But I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know if this is a good product. We'll definitely have to like kind of check it out. I kind of like the name of it because it has bees, and bees are my favorite. I love bees. I wonder if it smells good at least. Let's smell it. Ooh, that smells like a spa. That smells really, really nice. Okay, cool. I'll have to look this up online and see the reviews about it. Hopefully it's a good product. But all right. All right, next we got something from Ciate London. This is the Spice Palette. This retails for $39. It's a new launch, and it's a blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. And if you guys ever hear like growling in the background, that's just my dog. He's behind the camera, and sometimes I feel like he wants you guys to think that like I'm farting or whatnot. I'm not. I would tell you. It's just my dog. But here is the Spice Palette. Not my favorite color scheme, but it's actually not bad. Honestly, this kind of reminds me of like Christmas. Like this definitely gives like a Christmas feel to it. And it's definitely not bad. I love how big the pan sizes are. I love like these little neutral shades right there. But it definitely has like a very much like a Christmas vibe, right? Am I like feeling Christmas with this, or is this just me? Or maybe I'm just feeling Christmas because all I've been doing for the last like 2 weeks is trying to prepare for my, you know, Christmas giveaway for you guys. So I've been thinking of Christmas nonstop. But yeah, this really does give off a Christmas vibe. It's a pretty palette. Like, I won't lie, it's pretty. Not bad. Okay, cool. Next, they threw in the Trace Lucé Beauty. This is the Lucent Highlighter Palette. It retails for $26. And it's a radiant your light out of the world and lucient beautifully with this highlighter palette that will help you achieve a lit from within glow. Alrighty, so this is how the palette looks. It's definitely a nice range of color. I don't know the formula on this brand. I haven't really played with this brand too much, but I do like how there definitely is a range of color in this palette that you can definitely create beautiful looks with. Definitely not bad. I'm definitely not bad. I think I'd be able to use Luz, and probably upgrade, but I don't think I'll be able to use these two shades right here. Oh, I accidentally swatched that, my bad. But I do think it's really cool they added this in here. I think it's a nice way to try out a different brand and to try out some highlighter stuff from this brand. I think this is, what, Becky G's brand? All right, last but not least, we have Playa. This is a Mona Milk Leave-In Conditioner. So it says that this is a ultra lightweight yet deepening treatment. This is an ultra lightweight yet deepening conditioning treatment that's formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, or environmentally damaged hair. This retails for $24, and I've actually seen this brand inside Sephora, so that's gonna be excited. I love trying out like new like hair care products. Oh, it smells like coconuts. It smells like coconuts. I like trying out new hair care products, especially since I do color treat my hair. So like that's gonna be really exciting to try out. So let me quickly add up the value of this box. I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, and then we'll move on to the Tarte takeover. All right, so the total value of this box is actually $147. We got 3 makeup products, which I do love. We have 3 makeup products, 1 hair care product, and we have 1 skincare product right here. And even though not every single brand in here is like a well-known name brand, I actually still think it's a pretty great box. If I paid for this, I'd be pretty happy with it because it has an equal balance of skincare and makeup. You guys know I love the 3:2 ratio. We have some brands in here that we know and recognize. We have an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, we have a primer, and we have a hair care product and an eye cream. And I think it's definitely a very healthy balance, and I think they did a good job with this one. So Boxycharm, I think you guys did really good with this box. They've been promising us forever now that we're gonna get like known brands in here, and we're always like, give it to us, and they haven't. And they delivered on this one, so that's exciting. I like that box. Okay, so this next box, it says that this is a Tarte Premium Takeover box. It's gonna have 6 Tarte products ranging from OG faves to some of their newest launches to a stunning Boxy exclusive palette. So we are definitely gonna be, we're definitely seeing if this box was worth it. I do like the outside packaging. I think it's super cool. Love the little Tarte feel that we have right here. Unfortunately, I don't know what the price of this box would be. I think it's gonna be in the 40s if I'm correct, like 40 something after like shipping and handling. I don't exactly know the full value of it anymore because it's been a while since I have gotten Boxy Premium because I have been so disappointed with it for so long. So here we have the Boxycharm collaboration with Tarte. And this is going to be their premium takeover box. So the first thing that we have in here is the Tarte Drink of H2O. This is a hydrating boost hydrant. So it says that this retails for $39, and it says wake up to the cooling sensation of the vegan daily gel moisturizer. Powered by electrolytes, it deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping to soften and plump the skin's appearance. Ooh, I don't have that many Tarte products. Surprisingly enough, I don't have that many Tarte products, but the ones I do have, like, I love these 2 products. I keep them right here on my desk. These are the Maracuja Lip Oils. They are fantastic. My favorite one is the plumping one in the shade White Peach. Oh, it's so freaking good. So freaking good. So here's the H2O Gel Moisturizer, and oh my God, that smells like a spa. Like, it smells like a spa. That smells really good. I've never tried any of their like skincare stuff, so that's gonna be really, really exciting to try out. Next, we have the Tarte Sea Breezy. This is a cream blush. This would be in the shade Pink Sky, and it says that this retails for $24, and it says get that just pinched color to your cheeks with this weightless waterproof cream blush. Waterproof? Waterproof, so like if I cry, it's not gonna come off. Not that I cry often. Okay. Ooh, yeah. This seems like it's a little deep. I don't want to swatch it only because I don't do cream blushes. I find them actually really, really intimidating. I'm slowly getting into a cream bronzer and slowly learning how to apply cream bronzer and how to make it work with my skin type. But blushes are still just something that I'm just kind of like, I get scared by. So at some point I'll definitely want to try it. I just don't know if this would be the exact color for me, especially since it is waterproof, and if I mess up, which I totally would do, I'm just not sure. But I do think it's really cool to have this in here. Definitely a nice big compact right here. If you guys have ever tried this formula, let me know what you guys think of it and if you guys think I should try it. Next, we have a Maracuja Lip Plumper. This is in the shade Orchid. Wait, don't I have this Orchid shade? Oh no, I have this shade Coconuts right here. So this is a lip plumper. This is the Maracuja Lip Oil, which you guys know I already freaking love this one. This retails for $21, and it says get that cushiony pout that you've always dreamt of with this all-in-one vegan balm, gloss, color, and treatment. Ooh, I love their Maracuja Lip Oils. They're so freaking good. So freaking beautiful. If you guys have not tried these, you absolutely should try these. They are so good. Also keep an eye out because Tarte tends to do like your build your own makeup bag. I did one previously this year, $65. I got to pick 7 full-size products. Unfortunately, my box came in completely damaged because the setting spray was open and got everything completely soaked. I let the company know. They immediately sent me a brand new one. They were so, so sweet. All right, next we have a Double Take Awake. This looks to be a liner of some sort. This is a micro liquid liner and brightener micro eyeliner. So this retails for $25, and it says infused with mineral pigments, clay for all day wear, the rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combine a greater, bigger, brighter, and more defined eyes. Fortunately, this particular product won't work for me because I don't do felt tip liners like this. I just don't do eyeliners like that. I'm not good at it, and especially since I have pretty big downward shaped eyes, it just doesn't look good on me. But I do think it's really cool. They have like a brightener, which I love wearing a white liner on the inside. I'm wearing the ColourPop one right now. So good. But I think it's really cool they have this component. So this is something I'm definitely going to put away for you guys for a No Waste Wednesday when that comes up. But I do think it's really cool they have it in here. Nice mix of products that are in here. Okay, next we have their Light Camera Lashes. This is the 4-in-1 mascara. This actually retails for $24, and it says the best-selling mascara is like the push-up bra for your lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, and curl lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free, smudge-proof wear. So I actually do have this mascara. It's actually not bad mascara. It's going to look like so. And when you open up, this is how it's going to look. Not my favorite wand. I like to have more of a skinnier wand. I like to separate my lashes. Definitely not a bad mascara. I think it's cool they added in here. But I do already have this one, so I'll definitely pass this along to you guys. All right, and last but not least, we do have like the Tarte Boxy exclusive. So it says that this is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. This is a Boxy exclusive, retails for $30, and it says create looks that go from sunrise to sunset with this versatile 9-pan palette of warm mattes and shimmery finishes. Infused with Amazonian clay, these shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood. And this is how the palette looks right here. The shade Vivid looks a little intriguing. Right here, kind of looks like it's broken up, but this is definitely a really beautiful neutral palette. It actually kind of reminds me of the Going Coconuts from ColourPop. Like that's the vibe I'm getting from this, but it's a very soft, beautiful neutral palette. I don't see sunrise, I don't see sunset, so why they market it as that is beyond me, because that's definitely not that. It's just a neutral palette. I don't see sunrise, sunset. I must be blind, but I don't see it. But this just looks like it's gonna be a really beautiful, everyday neutral eyeshadow palette right there. All right, so the box total is $163. We did get 6 full-size items in here of all Tarte Tarte products plus the exclusive palette. And I have to say, if I paid for this box, I would actually be really freaking excited. I love when Boxycharm does takeovers. I think it's so fun because it really can allow you to try products from a brand that you might have not been able to afford or been able to try. And I just love when they do this. They did this with Fenty Beauty like 2 years ago. It was so cool they did this, and I wish they would do this more often to create brand exclusive boxes, because I would I'm dropping all the items. I would literally sign back up just to get those boxes. Like I love the fact that they do this, because it would be like, for me, if I spend $40 on this box, I'd be like, hell yeah, it was freaking worth it, because I got all these Tarte products that I may have never tried before, and I just think it's so freaking good, and I wish Boxycharm would do this more often. Boxy, you never watch this, but if you do this. This is so cool. So those are both the boxes that I got this month in PR, and I have to say, I was actually thoroughly impressed by both. One, the Tarte box just speaks volumes for itself. It's great. But the actual base box, I love the mix that we had in there of the 3:2 ratio of makeup and skincare brands that I recognize, and I just think they did a good job with this month's box, and I hope it continues this way. We shall see. You never know you're gonna get with Boxy. Some months are amazing, some months are not. You're just like, That is it for today's video. Like I said, I'll list what I'm wearing down my face down below. And I also just want to give a quick thank you one more time to Ofra Cosmetics for partnering up with me again for a portion of today's video. I absolutely do love this product. I love the cause that they're supporting, and I just want to thank them one more time because that was so sweet that they sent this over and I got to talk to you guys about that. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlog-O-Ween. Also, the biggest thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So, with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! Hey guys! I always hate how I say that. Not one Boxycharm base box. We're gonna be unboxing not... This box is beaten to shit. Okay guys, so before I dive into this video, I just want to quickly say that I'll be listing what I'm wearing on my face down below, but I am wearing the new... Okay guys, so before we dive into this video, I just have a quick little... Okay guys, so before we dive into today's video, I'll make sure I link... Talk about theirs. And they're so sweet enough. Also, guys, I am so excited and I'm so excited to partner with because I like to have my lashes a lot separate. I like to have my lashes separate.